Welcome back, friends, to Naturally Sprigs as I go through my seeds here from spring of 2022. I found myself ordering so many seeds that I needed to organize them, but I'm just showing you here briefly some of the seeds that I had received from Baker Creek, also known as rare seeds. They have a very, very, very big variety of seeds that I'm looking forward to planting, vegetables that I've never seen before, never tried. So I'm very excited. See, my goal with my garden is to try and grow foods that I've never seen before and to kind of phase out the ones that I'm used to eating and trying. So I will be showing you, in my book later on what seeds I have, but for now, this is what I just received. There's my silly little cat here. Anyway, so hello again. So I just made a discovery. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little bit, but I've been organizing my seeds because I have a lot of them, and I've bought duplicates, and I needed it to be more organized. So anyway, I had discovered that one of the reasons why my okra didn't germinate properly last year is because I did not follow the directions. So apparently you're supposed to soak the seeds for 24 hours. I didn't do that last year. So I will be doing that this year. So please stay tuned as I go through my seeds, both showing you what I have organized it, and me soaking my okra seeds. All right, I will see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm back, and I just wanted to quickly show you what I've done. I have this 1-inch binder I got on Amazon, but as you can see, I probably should have gotten a 3 or 5-inch binder. So anyway, but this is what I have nonetheless. So I have them in some sort of order for now. I'll probably reorganize them later, but in the meantime, they're my beans, my green beans, strawberries, blueberries, elderberry, carrots, various corn. What else here? Cucumbers, various flowers, lots and lots and lots and lots of flowers. Sunflowers, oops, excuse me, lettuces, spinach. Then to my, I have these categorized as greens. So that's Brussels sprouts, collard greens, various kales, broccoli, any of that kind of greenery. What else here? Yep. And then I have my herbs, so cilantro, hyssop, basil, sage, thyme, balm, lavender. What else here? Chamomile, oregano, lemongrass, chives, peppermint, rosemary. Yep. So it just kind of goes on and on. Various melons. I mean, a lot of melons here. A lot of melons. Okra. They're my okra I was mentioning before. So I'm going to go ahead and soak a few of each of these. I have 5 different varieties here. The orange, the pink, the red, green, Clemson, spineless, and pink, if I already said that. Peas. What else here? Turnips. So I'm getting into my root vegetables here, and also peppers, squash, beets, onions, squash, that's zucchini, that's pumpkin, and some other varieties I'm going to be trying this year. various tomatoes. There's a lot of tomatoes. And then I have some trees I want to try this year. So I hope that is successful. And then lilac. I went ahead and purchased 5 small lilac bushes because I couldn't wait, and I didn't get a chance to get started on my seeds this year. So I put those in the front of the house. I'll show you later. I may have already shown you something, but anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and get started soaking these okra. Like I said, I have 5 different varieties, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get those ready for tomorrow because I intend on planting them tomorrow. Okay? See you next time. Bye.